Good evening, guys. Hi, I'm Shomili, Senior Academic Counselor of Clinilaunch Research Institute. So today I'll be discussing about the bioinformatics. Okay, what is bioinformatics? What is the role of bioinformatics? What is the scope of bioinformatics? So it would be great, if you guys let me know from which academic background you are from. Anyone knows about the bioinformatics, or do you have any knowledge or any idea about bioinformatics? Uh,
जो भी प्रोटियोमिक्स डेटा है सीक्वेंस और जो भी जीनोम सीक्वेंस डेटा है उसको एनालिसिस करके वैक्सीन या कोई न्यू ड्रग डिस्कवरी में उसको उस डेटा का यूज करना और यूज करके कोई नई ड्रग और वैक्सीन डेवलप करना।
exactly, you are correct. May I know your name, please?
मैम नवनीत।
Okay. So Navneet, yeah, exactly, you are correct actually. So bioinformatics is it's a field of biology and the information technology, to analyze the large amount of the biological data set. Okay, because if you just see, there are huge of protein database sets are there, or there are huge large amount of data sets are there. Okay, so for particularly to analyze the data sets, or to particularly analyze the protein molecules, amino acid molecules, each and everything, we need bioinformatics tools. Okay, and bioinformatics itself. So it's a basically involving the study of the genomic data analysis, proteomics, functional genomics. Okay, so in bioinformatics, it's like involved in clinical research also. It can involved in clinical SAS also. And like post COVID, this sector has grown up like anything. So do you have any idea, what is the growth rate of this sector? Anyone any idea about that?
यस मैम, इससे पहले कोविड से पहले ड्रग
Mm-hmm.
डिस्कवरी और वैक्सीन डेवलपमेंट में तो ये यूज हो ही रहा था। और
हाँ,
साथ ही साथ हेल्थ से रिलेटेड भी, जैसे कोई भी अपना बहुत सी लैब हैं जो काम कर रही हैं, जैसे कि अगर मैं अपना डीएनए किसी कोई भी मेरा डीएनए सीक्वेंस रीड करता है,
हाँ,
उस सीक्वेंस के बिहाफ पे वो मेरे को बता सकते हैं कि आप कौन सी डाइट ले सकते हैं।
हाँ,
आप अगर मैं एथलीट हूँ तो वो मेरे को सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं मेरे डीएनए एनालिसिस के बेसिस पे कि मेरे को कौन सी डाइट किस टाइम पे लेनी चाहिए, कौन सी डाइट नहीं लेनी चाहिए, क्या एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, इस तरह से। और
हाँ.
फूड इंडस्ट्री में इसका यूजेस है।
Okay. So basically you are trying to say that it involves in the sequence technology also, right? Like DNA sequencing, RNA sequencing,
यस मैम।
analysis, right?
यस
Okay.
मैम।
Yeah, exactly. So the thing is, yes, actually post-COVID, according to the CAGR, so I just wanted to know, do you guys know what is CAGR? Any idea? Please, apart from Navneet, anyone, please, do you know about that? Anyone? You can just drop your answer in the chat box. Cumulative growth rate. No, Sandra, actually here CAGR means compound annual growth rate. Okay, so here post-COVID, according to compound annual growth rate, this market has been increased by 13.4%. Okay, and the possibilities of increment of this sector, it's 14.9% from 2019 to 2025. Because if you see, like everywhere, this bioinformatics will be needed. Okay, it's like if you want to develop new drugs, if you want to develop any new mechanisms, new methodologies related to drugs and related to clinical trials or preclinical trials, whatever, this bioinformatics will be much more required. Okay, and also scope of the job also in this field will be increased by 31% until 2031. Okay, so you people, if you just go through any kind of article regarding that bioinformatics, so you just go through it, you can get to know what is what is the exact scope, what is the exact goals of the bioinformatics. Okay. So, yeah, now in Clinilaunch Research Institute, we do provide 6 months advanced diploma course regarding bioinformatics. Okay, so in bioinformatics, we are providing from basic to advanced. So along with that, we'll be providing you corporate etiquette session, aptitude preparation also. So I hope you all heard about that from Mr. Numan, right? Regarding corporate etiquette and all. So I'll just informing you about the technical part. Okay. So in technical part, in first module, you'll be learning about the basic and fundamental of bioinformatics. Okay, so in basic and fundamentals of bioinformatics, what and all you will be learning? You will be learning about the pairwise alignment, sequence-wise alignment, what is the primer designing, and what is the phylogenetic analysis. Anyone can tell me like what is the primer designing? Do you have any idea, guys?
मैम डीएनए सीक्वेंस जैसे जब क्या कहते हैं पीसीआर में जब यूज करते हैं जो
Hmm.
अपना पीसी क्या उसको मास्टर मिक्स यूज करते हैं तो बहुत उसमें अलग अलग कंपोनेंट होते हैं जैसे ए
Mm-hmm.
डीएनटीपीज हो गया।
Mm-hmm.
तो जब आरएनए कोविड टेस्टिंग जब करते थे आरटीपीसीआर तो उसमें रिवर्स प्राइमर और क्या कहते हैं फॉरवर्ड प्राइमर यूज होता है डीएनए
Mm-hmm.
सीक्वेंस में जो भी जो आरएनए सीक्वेंस है उसको एम्पलीफाई करने के लिए।
Okay. Yes, Sandra, I'll explain you about that in English only. Yes, Navneet, yeah, you are correct. So the primer designing is like it's a process of creating a short sequence, that initiates the DNA synthesis. So you can implement it RNA also, you can implement it DNA also. Okay. So yeah, that is what yeah, exactly. Complementary sequence to the target gene or the target DNA. Okay. So in basic part, you will be learning about that also, primer designing. And then coming to the second part, I mean second core module, like primary databases and tools. So in primary databases and tools, you'll be learning about the bioinformatics algorithms and then identity, homology, homology, docking, dot matrix. Okay, sequence-based searches like what is the use of blast, FASTA, how to use that. Okay, and also you'll be learning about the how to check the e-value of the sequence and what is the local and global alignments. Okay, and over there in primary database and tools in practical session you'll be learning about the blast, clustal, and then phylogenetic analysis. In phylogenetic analysis you will be using megax. Okay, and then genome mapping will be there by using ncbi. Okay, then pairwise alignment, restriction mapping, primer designing, you will be learning in this module in hand, I mean in practical session. Okay, then coming to the next module, you will be learning about the proteomics. Okay, so in proteomics, you will be learning about the what is a protein data bank. So any one of you can you just let me know what is the proteomics? Like, do you have any idea what is proteomics?
हाँ मैम स्टडी ऑफ प्रोटीन डेटाबेस सीक्वेंस।
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, actually, correct. It involves the significance of the proteomic technologies like protein separation technologies. Okay, and then protein identification, characterization, and yes, someone has written. Yeah, Usha Rani. Yes, yes, exactly. The study of the protein via MALGMS mass spectroscopy. Actually, yeah, mass spectrometry. So in proteome databases, it will be involving about the protein data bank, UniProt KB, PubChem, Gene database. Okay, and also you'll be learning about the applications also of the proteomics concept. Here, I just want to highlight one part, you'll be getting some visualization tools also. That is, I'll come that modules later after this things. So there you'll be learning in hand also. Okay. And then after proteomics, you will be learning about the genomics. So, Navneet, do you have any idea or do you have any knowledge about the genomics? Can you tell me? Or Usharani, you also can tell me. Like, guys, please let be interactive this session. So you also can know, na, like how much you know. Study of genetic information. Yes, study of genetic information. Apart from Sejals, anyone? Study of genome should be okay. NGS. Yeah, obviously NGS will be there. Like I just wanted to know any basic, what is the basic of genomics? Do you know?
I think whole genome sequence study.
Yeah. Actually, that is also partially correct. It's like a organization and evolution of the prokaryotic and eukaryotic genomes. You know, like what is the like what is the organelle and what is the eukaryotic genomes, what is the prokaryotic, and it basically involves all the genome project also. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
here you'll be learning about the phylogenomics, microbial genomics, comparative genomics, cancer genomics also. Okay, so it cancer genomics means you'll be learning what is the pathology or etiology of the role of DNA damage and repair in cancer. What is the mutation role of the mutations in cancer? What is the oncogenes, suppressor genes? So all those things you will be learning in a theoretical part also, apart from the practical part. Okay.
Okay. Complete information about organism.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that is what I have mentioned. You will be learning that also in phylogenomics, microbial genomics, and comparative genomics also. Okay. So in my if you just like want complete organelles and all, then you can refer that microbial genomics, where you'll be learning about the horizontal gene transfer, human genes of microbial origins, what is their case study, what is their minimal genome concept, what is antimicrobial drug discovery. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. And also in applied genomics, now you'll be in some practical things will be there in this module, where you'll be working in a pathway databases, mutation databases, cancer databases, homolog databases, detection of the horizontal gene transfer also, and model organism of the genome database also. Okay. So, see, guys, I guess in that chat box, you got one link for the form. So, if you fill that form, no, then we'll get your queries also. So, our counselor can get in touch with you and guide you with all the course details. Okay. So coming to the after genomics, you'll be getting functional genomics. So in functional genomics, you'll be using some sort of software and all. So I'll just come to that part later. Yes, Kavipriya, will let you know about the placement. I'll just let me finish it about the modules. I'll come to that part also. So in practical for the functional genomics, you'll be learning how to browsers, like how to browse the genome, what is the genome functional clarification, gene ontology databases, and then DNA microarray. Nowadays, you can just check, DNA microarray is the most popular topic for the bioinformatics project. So any one of you did any project regarding microarray? DNA microarray? Anyone? Or any one of you published any paper also?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And what about others? Okay. Got it. No problem. If you want, you can ask guidance from our trainer for paper publishings and all. So they will be helping you out. Okay. Regarding that. And after functional genomics, we'll be straight away go to the system biology. So again, I just wanted to ask any idea, any knowledge about the system biology? B Pharma candidates, any idea regarding system biology? I guess you have learned this, right, in your course module in your academic year. I had published research paper on tissue culture. Okay, Priyanka, that's great. Apart from them, any others? Like, can you hear me, or do you have any queries, or because I'm not getting any answers from your side? Yes, actually, I want you to respond to understand like where you like how much you know about that. So then only I can guide you with all the details, right? I have also done a thesis on breast cancer cell using image analysis. Okay, that's great, Naurin. Anyone apart from Naurin should be Priyanka, Navneet.
No, ma'am, I have no idea about system biology.
Oh, no worries, Navneet, I'll tell you about that. So, system biology, it's like a biological network, okay, which is involving the gene regulatory, protein-protein interaction, metabolic. Like you already know, right? What is the role of the complex system? What is the roles of the proteomics and genomics? Here in system biology, you have to just monitor all these protocols and all. Okay, what is the feedback loops? What is the system dynamics? What is the properties, okay, what is the protein ligand interaction. So that is what the system biology. So in this module you'll be learning about the how to analyze the network in system biology, what is the applications of the system biology, okay, and like what is the goal of the system biology, like that, okay. And also after that you'll be learning about the R and Pearl programming also for the biologist, and then research methodologies, and then referencing and citation using mentally. Okay, so now coming to the structure visualization tools, what and all you will be learning. So as I told you that yes, you will be learning about in-hand experience you will be gaining uh, with these tools. So that will be PyMol, BioVia, Discovery Studio, Chimera, ChemSketch. So any one of you have worked with all those tools? Any one of the tools?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
no
our
problem.
language also used for data visualization.
Yeah, exactly.
Mm.
So apart from Navneet, anyone? Naurin should be okay. Sharat Kumar. Okay, you have like used ChemSketch. Okay, that's great. Ma'am, what is the use of this tools? Okay, okay, yeah. Just
Ma'am,
put your
Discovery Studio
queries.
used for
Huh.
molecular docking.
Yeah, you can say in molecular docking also it is like we can use those tools, and also we can use that in sequence retrieval system, like in sequence analysis
Okay.
also. In part of proteomics and genomics also we can use those tools. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So in practical learning, what you'll be learning over here, already I have informed that you'll be learning about the genome browser, gene ontology database, DNA microarray database, and also apart from that, you will be learning some add-on modules like in bioinformatic tools like geodata analysis, geo2r, string, cytoscape, consensus protein data bank. Okay. So, anyone, any questions regarding the course module?
Ma'am, what is the use of Python language in bioinformatics?
Okay, I'll come to that part. You just drop your questions in a question and answer session. Okay, so we'll just
Okay, ma'am.
elaborate you about your all those queries, huh? So, guys, any idea what can be the job role in bioinformatics field? Any idea? Like Navneet, any idea?
Mm, sure.
Okay, yeah. So what I'm asking Noreen, like, do you know what is the job role and what is the job responsibilities in the bioinformatics domain? Okay, no worries, Shajal. I'll guide you for the same. Proteomics data. Okay. This proteomics data it is included in the core part. I'm asking about the job role. Like what is the career opportunities in this particular domain?
मैम जॉब रोल में अभी कोई आइडिया नहीं क्या जॉब रोल रहता है बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स के लिए।
Mm-hmm. Okay, no worries. I'll guide you guys for that. So okay, huge demand for bioinformatics technician. Okay, just like a data analyst. Yes, yes, Usha. Bioinformatics technician. Yes, you can say as in bioinformatics developer. So the career opportunities are there: bioinformatics analyst, bioinformatics trainer, a research associate, bioinformatics developer, and application scientist. I hope you guys know about all those roles. I'll just want to elaborate about the application scientist. What is that? So in bioinformatics application specialist or bioinformatics applications scientist, what is the role? Like they will be responsible for managing the large database and developing the data framework, and they will be directly modifying the algorithms. Okay, so that is the role of the application scientist, and their pay scale also will be. Yeah, tell me, Navneet, are you telling something?
नो मैम।
Okay, okay, fine. So, and also like they will be responsible to modify the algorithms also, which is directly interconnect with the bioinformatics, software you can say, or bioinformatics tools you can say. Okay. And also you can join as a bioinformatics trainer, research associate, bioinformatics developer, bioinformatics analyst, as Noreen has texted that, yeah, data analyst. Okay, bioinfo engineer. So bioinformatics engineer can like join in any one of the position. Yeah, so as it is a very trending field right now, because post COVID, as I already informed you, that this field is like increased by 13.4%. And like in each and every step of in healthcare domain, bioinformatics is directly involved. You can't even skip. Even if you want to just a simple example, if you want to just develop any kind of drug molecules, anything is there. So you can't even like take small biological database, right? You have to analyze the large biological database, then only you can like implement the best strategies to develop a drug, right? So that is what this yeah, I'll come to that. This what is the qualification eligibility? Yeah, I'll come to that part, Vinay. So that is what right now, as per current market scenario and post COVID, this sector is growing like anything. So if you want to explore the opportunities, I'm pretty sure you can explore more opportunities with a good package also, and with a good career opportunities also in this field. So now, yeah, Vinay, you can just check here, and also I'll guide you for the same. What is the eligibility criteria for this course? So MSc Biotech, Microbiology, Biochemistry, BSc Microbiology, Biochemistry, M.Pharm, B.Pharm, B Biotech, B.Tech Biotech, MBBS, BTS, MTS, okay, BSc Biotechnology, Analytical Chemistry, Normal Chemistry, they are eligible for this course. Okay, you should be from the biology background. Okay, because anyway, like when you'll be learning about the bioinformatics, no, you should have at least basic knowledge of the biology. Okay, you should have basic knowledge of the proteins, you should have basic knowledge of the amino acid, DNA, RNA. So that's what. So you should be from the biology background. Then only you can explore more scopes and opportunities over here. Okay. So they are our industry expert who will be providing you the training, and also every month we are conducting guest series session also. Okay, where like industry expert will be guiding you for those sessions. What is the scope? What is the opportunities? Okay. and like what is the industry growth. Okay, so that is what you'll be getting in that session. I have working Vinay. I have working in a pharma company. Yes, Vinay. You are eligible for this course. BSc Biochemistry is also eligible. Yes, should be. BSc Biochemistry also eligible for the bioinformatics. Okay. Anyone, any queries regarding? So, there any age criteria for bioinfo? See, up to 60 years, you can do any upskilling courses. There is no age limit to learn the courses. And yes, if you are talking about the job opportunities and all, up to 60 years, that is a basic rules. I hope you all know about that. That is a basic rules. So, up to 60 years, you can explore any of the opportunities in any field.